Hi guys, welcome to another Battle of the Foundation, and today's foundation is one I am very excited to bring to you. I'm talking about the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on this, just keep watching. Alright guys, I've been very excited to try out this foundation on video because I've been wearing it for the last few days, and I'm talking about the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This stuff is just the bomb. It's everything. It's, you know me, I love my full coverage foundation. This is full coverage without looking cakey or thick or feeling like it's a really thick foundation. You guys should just shut up and go ahead and start showing you what I'm talking about. So, as always, I've gone ahead and primed my face. I've done my under eye color correcting. Get this hair out of my way. Maybe a little bit more. And I will be doing one side of my face with a sponge and the other side with a flat top kabuki blender. So that way we can figure out which is the best way to apply it. This does come in 16 shades, sorry. And I am in the color 120 Classic Ivory. Let's go ahead and read the claims on this before we get started so that way you know what this product is all about. So this is a full coverage foundation, up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish. It's breathable and comfortable. It's fade and transfer resistant, oil free and does not clog your pores. And the rest of it is all in French, so I think they're just repeating everything I just said. So let's go ahead and pump a little bit of this out. You can see the consistency here on my finger. It's fairly thick, but not so thick that it doesn't have a little bit of a run to it. I got very lucky in matching my skin tone. This is just the first color I picked out, and I picked mine up at Fred Meyer. Gosh, I don't remember what I paid for it, but I know that you can get it right now at Ulta for $11.99. They have a buy one get one half off right now. Don't know when that's going to end. And as always, Ulta also always has their $3.50 off coupon that you can use. I'll leave those linked down below. Target has this for $9.99, and I think Walgreens and Walmart were the same price on that. Okay, so as you can see, that went on very quickly. I'm going to have a little bit of trouble doing my natural light photos today, simply because I'm actually filming this at nighttime. My day kind of got away from me, so I wasn't able to film this during the day. However, I did take some photos of myself wearing it the other day, so I'm going to insert those pictures after I get the brush side on. And I'm doing it the same way in the pictures that I'm going to show you. This side will be the sponge side and the brush side, which I think I talked about. And I don't remember if it's a picture or video. All I know is I did it with my iPhone and we had daylight. I'll find that out when I'm editing. So I'm just going to kind of tap this all in. Talk anywhere on either the website or the bottle about if this is good for like dry skin or normal or oily, so I can't really speak to that. I can tell you my skin is pretty much normal to a little bit on the dry side, and I do get a little bit oily just around my nostrils. That doesn't usually happen till later in the day, but I haven't had any problems with this breaking up anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead, since this is what it looks like right now, I'm going to go ahead and insert a little video or photo or something showing you what this looks like in natural daylight. So sit tight and you'll see that. Alright, here is the side that I did the sponge. And this is the side where I used the brush. Honestly, I prefer the brush side much better. I think buffing it in just gives it such a flawless finish.
I've got great coverage under my eyes here, but I will still go in and use some concealer just because my under eyes are so bad. But I really like the way everything turned out. It's completely dried down. Again, if you have just normal dry skin, you don't need to powder this at all, but they do recommend that you use a little bit of powder if you have oily skin. I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on and just put powder on in that area, and I will be back.
Alright, so I've had a chance to let this dry down just a little bit. I can tell you this dries down very well. It's just the slightest bit tacky, and I mean just the slightest bit, but it does dry down very well. I am going to go ahead and do my concealer, and as always, I apply powder in all of my foundation videos just to kind of give everything a equal chance, we'll put it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my makeup. Sit tight, and I will be right back. Alright, I'm going to insert another video here really quick where I had, again, some daylight, but I had all of my makeup done, and that way you can see what it looks like in natural lighting.
Alright guys, this is the finished makeup. Holy cow, I love this foundation. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is the sponge side, and this is the brush side. Get you in a little bit closer. Show you everything here. And I'm sorry, I just don't have sunshine today. So it just dried down beautifully. It's got such a natural, like, powder finish to it, which is just stunning. I did go ahead and apply concealer and just a little bit of powder there. And that is just the foundation.
But here we are with my makeup completed, and I have to say I am absolutely in love with this. This is, to me, totally equal with the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. And you know that is my new favorite. So I honestly can't even tell the difference between the two. I think this is a closer shade match to my skin than the Huda Beauty is. I know it's a quarter of the price, so you can't go wrong with that. But again, it only has 16 shades, where Huda, I think, has like 30 something. So, you know, it's, do you want to pay the extra money? Do you want to get a better shade range? It's kind of up to you, but I would say this is just a total dupe for it. It's long lasting. I've worn it. Why am I waving this around? I've worn it many, many times now. I've actually been wearing it just about every day for the last week. It lasts. I wore this New Year's Eve. Sorry about that, my battery just died. So I did wear this New Year's Eve. I did not get to attend the hockey game that my husband and I were supposed to go to because can't really tell, but I'm in a knee brace right now. Don't know what I did to my left knee, but it swelled up and has been hurting me for the last several days. So I stayed home. He went with some friends to the hockey game, but he wasn't home in time for our midnight kiss, so that's the most important thing. But anyway, I'm just saying that because I was up late with my makeup on that night, and that just lasted flawlessly all day long. So again, this is one I highly recommend. Go pick this one up. I will have links down below. Oh, I love it. So anyway, enough rambling on about this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My 1,000 subscriber contest should have started yesterday, because you'll be seeing this on a Thursday. So yes, it started yesterday. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a card up here. You can go watch that video and enter for my mega prize giveaways that I'm doing. I'm giving away 3 different prizes. So there will be 3 lucky winners for this one, but it is a ton of makeup and all kinds of goodies in there. So go check that one out too. So don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Feel free, as always, to leave me any comments or questions down below. If there's a foundation that you would like to see me try out, please go ahead and leave me a comment, and I will definitely check into that too. So until next time, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.